Alright everybody, we got a Victor mousetrap here. How do you set it up and how do you make it so the mouse will actually get caught in this thing? I actually had 3 attempts at trying to get a mouse recently, and so I learned a few tricks along the way to enable you to get them a little easier. So first trick is to remove this little pin off of here so this comes out. I've got a piece of cheese here. You want to put this back and kind of hold it down with your thumb really carefully. Make sure it doesn't snap back, it could get you. And I found that you want to smash the cheese up inside of here so it's harder for the mouse to get out, so he doesn't grab it without getting caught. I did have one that grabbed it, took off, and it was still loaded. So and then another thing is you want to come and load it like this and catch it underneath here. First time I did this, I hooked up inside there and put the cheese back here, which wasn't correct. And so you want to kind of load it like that, and now put it in place. Don't make too much motion with it or it might go off. And then just maybe sit it up against a wall so he'll crawl on the corners and go right into it. And then put it down like that. And then it's all set. Thank you very much. Bye.